Eat slightly underripe mangoes for the rest of your life. Or eat slightly overcooked broccoli for the rest of your life. Misplace your mobile phone this week, or subscribe to this channel. Only eat slightly underripe strawberries your whole life, or only eat slightly overcooked spinach your whole life. Drink slightly underripe passion fruit juice for a year, or drink slightly overcooked bell pepper juice for a year. Have every fruit you eat be slightly underripe, or have every vegetable you eat be slightly overcooked.